Alright YouTube, welcome back. We're on the front bumper of the Tsunami Celica GTS, soon to be turboed, that I've actually already just removed the air injection system from the 2004 plus or 2003 plus Celica GTS. I removed that. That'll be a video later. But now what we're going to do is the JDM side markers from MITSUBISHI.com. They look freaking amazing. They're one of my favorite things about the Celica. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to install them and show you a photo at the end of them, and then we'll do a complete finished product with my lip right there. I gotta look at that, look at that, look at that. I got a freaking sweet lip. So I have a lip, smoked fogged, which you guys just saw, that finished product, and then JDM MITSUBISHI.com side markers with LED. Oof, 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 they're gonna look good. So let's go ahead and jump out of the car. I'll show you where we're at. Before we jump out of the car, you will, if you do purchase these side markers, you'll have to order these too. These are going to be the LEDs. These are really, really nice. They are amazing. Really transform the side markers. In the box that you'll get when you order these from MITSUBISHI.com, you'll get instructions, you'll get your receipt, and you'll get the JDM side markers that are amazing, that look really, really good. So here are the side markers. They are dark, which are way, way better instead of the amber, and they are sharp angled. Look at that. So good, sharp, 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 angled, and of course you're gonna get one for each side, sharp, angled, brand new condition. Look at those, amazing. So let's go out to the bumper right now. Gosh, this looks so good. I just can't stop looking at those. That with that, oh my gosh, what a new setup. Let's go out to the car, and I'm gonna show you how to remove the OEM ones. Okay, here is the front bumper, the Tsunami one. These fit the Tsunami. They fit all bumpers that have OEM side markers or OEM bumpers right there. So there's the OEM ones. They're amber. You don't have to remove the front bumper. I just had mine off. If you're not going to remove the front bumper, you'll come up here. You're going to want to remove the 10 millimeter that holds in this guy right here. You're going to want to remove the 4 10 millimeters down there and push this aside so that you can get your hand back up here. Once you get your hand up here, you're going to see that there's 2 nut bolt washers all combined. They are 8 millimeters on each side, and you're going to want to do that on both. Let's remove those now. So once you remove them, they'll fall right, they literally just come right off. Keep your washers. You need all 4 of the washers. You're going to reuse the OEM washers. Let's go back into the garage. So here are going to be the amber ugly OEM ones. They just don't look good. They're so amazing. The small little details that will make your car look so much more expensive, so much nicer. So on the back here, they're going to come with the studs just like this. Now, one of the things that you're going to have to do, of course, you're going to have to remove this little plastic so you can put the light in there. So remove the plastic. And then you're going to have to cut this little bit longer piece right here, this longer piece, because the OEM ones don't have that one. So you're going to have to cut these real quick. So you can just take a straight razor blade and cut it right off. It's pretty soft plastic. Okay, I want to be real strict here. OEM ones do have these, look, it's how it says up and top on there. They do have these little things right here. On these ones, you need to cut the middle part right there and right there. That's a proper one. So you take a razor blade, push on it. It literally cuts off like butter. It's not hard. And then this one's a little bit longer here compared to this one. So you can see how that goes in that bulge right there. So you need to trim this down. You can do a razor blade, push down and cut, or you can do little snippers, to believe it or not, or you can do scissors. This stuff is pliable. So be careful with it. Don't do too hard. You don't want to damage the actual side marker. But very, very simple. That one's done. We're ready to go. That one's perfect. We're all ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and install that one next. Or install that, and then we're going to go ahead and mimic. Cut that off, cut this off, open it up, and then cut that one off. Okay, back out to the front bumper. Make sure you grab the right side marker that fits the right way, because they are directional. It should fit right in now, and it does. So it fits flush right in there. You're gonna come out on the back side and then tighten these the 10 millimeters to go ahead and get that perfect fitment. Okay, that is a perfect flush fitment. Right there. That's how you want to do it. Be careful, be gentle with these things. I mean, it's all plastic, all this is plastic, so treat it like that, but wow, that looks amazing. Now what we're going to do is pull up the incandescent bulb right here. This one's super easy. All you do is yank on it and then install the LED from MITSUBISHI.com. Okay, so both the 8 millimeters are tightened in there now. The LEDs from MITSUBISHI.com have been replaced. The old ones, I did unplug the backing right here. You can, and I would recommend, I'm not going to do it right now, but I would recommend doing this in black electrical tape, make it look more aesthetic, clean. You know, I'm really about the clean. That's backed in there. So now all I have to do is literally put the bumper back on and plug the side marker lights in, and we should be done. Bam, look at that. So aggressive, huge difference. It's getting cold, it's getting dark. So what I'm gonna do now is just, I'm gonna finish up this video. So that's how you install the side markers. Of course, let's look at the LEDs. Come over your door. Just to have the side markers running, one click, we'll turn them on right there, and then bam. LEDs from MITSUBISHI.com, bright, aesthetic. It looks good. People are not gonna run into your side. Hopefully they don't run into the side of your rear front bumper. Then I've got the LEDs with the headlights on both sides, and then the LEDs. Very aesthetic, very clean, makes my car look like it's worth a lot more money. So I'm gonna finish up this video. That's how you install those. Please make sure to like, subscribe. If you guys want a set of these, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Very, very easy install. You can do it without removing the bumper. It is easier if you remove the bumper, and I do recommend it so that you can do a nice, clean, thorough job. It'll be the easiest install for you. Of course, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. Make sure to like, subscribe. We'll be back to finish up the fog lights, or you guys have already saw that. I don't remember. I don't remember the order of these. The fog lights will be done, and then the next video will probably be the last one. Will be the lip, which I haven't done yet, so I can't wait to put the lip on. It'll look really, really aggressive with all these parts on here. Like, subscribe, swing by MITSUBISHI.com. See you guys on the next video.